Hello everybody, welcome back to my cooking channel. Today, I'm going to show you how I make blueberry muffins. Really tasty. Let's get started. So preheat the oven to about 200 degrees Celsius, 400 degrees Fahrenheit. So get a cupcake or muffin tray or anywhere cupcake holders. And then you're going to wash mixing bowl and add 1.5 cups of plain flour. 2 teaspoons of baking powder. That's spaghetti. Half a teaspoon of salt. I'm using pink Himalayan salt. You can use sea salt or table salt. And 1 cup of sugar. Now just mix this together so it's combined. Now get sort of a mozzarella jar or a small bowl. Put in 1 large egg. Like that. 1/3 of a cup of vegetable oil. 1/3 of a cup to 1/2 a cup of milk. And 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Now just combine these together. Now let's pour the wet ingredient into the dry ingredient just like that. And then mix it up slowly, but don't over mix it. You just want to mix it in until it's nice and combined and all the lumps are out. Now you get 1 cup of blueberries. Now you can use fresh or frozen. I'm using frozen. And then just fold these through. Now just get the mixture and put it in here. About halfway or so. Now once you put them in here, put this in the oven for about 15 to 20 minutes, and then they should be done. Oh, these are beautiful. Now just leave these to cool for about 10 minutes before you take them out of here and put them on a plate and then start eating. I hope you guys tried my favorite recipe for blueberry muffins, as you can see. Oh, these are beautiful. So let's give it a taste. Oh, perfect. So thank you guys so much for watching the new recipe. Make sure you like, subscribe, leave a comment, and we'll see you on next Wednesday for a new recipe. Peace out.